Hey there, serving members of the Australian Defence Force and veterans. My name's Damien Patterson. I'm from Integrity Property. And did you know that the Defence Force Home Loan Scheme has changed significantly on the 1st of January 2023? If you thought you were not entitled to DOHAS, you may now be entitled to it again. So a whole heap of things have changed. The expiry date on using it has changed. The number of years to qualify for it has changed. All the rates have changed. And it's actually worth a huge amount of money to you. The longer you serve, the more it's worth. Make sure that you check it out. Now, I'm running a webinar that's coming up soon. I run one every week live on how to use your ADF housing entitlements to the maximum advantage. Come and join me on the link below, next to me, above me. I'm not sure where it is, but make sure you do. Click the link, register, come along. Hundreds of people attend this webinar every month, and I'd love to see you there and teach you what you need to know so you make sure you get the best out of all of your housing entitlements, not just a DOHAS loan. Cheers.